Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. So guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about Merry Christmas decorations designs. The Merry Christmas is a beautiful event and everyone waiting for the best Christmas decoration ideas. So in this collection you see the beautiful centerpiece designs. All designs of Christmas are available for my viewers who are watching the best Christmas decoration ideas. Centerpieces look so amazing, look so stunning, look so adorable, and handmade ideas. And I try my best, guys. Watch to you the best collection, the best designs that create your home appearance is very beautiful. So guys, watch the video, like my videos. The centerpieces look so amazing, look so attractive, and I hope you enjoy my collection, and I hope you love my videos that are uploaded on my YouTube channel on daily basis. The designs, the colors, the shade are most attractive designs. So hope you like the video, hope you love my videos that are uploaded on my YouTube channel on daily basis. Christmas centerpieces and the Christmas edit bits designs are so attractive. A huge amount of Christmas candles designs are available on my YouTube channel. In this collection you see approximately 100 plus designs that are most creative designs that look so amazing, look so stunning, look so adorable. Hope you like the video, hope you love my videos that are most stunning videos. The reason is that the videos are so beautiful, so stunning, and Christmas is a day of celebration. Christmas is a day of happiness, joy, love, and happiness. So guys, if you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then your first priority to subscribe to my YouTube channel that are uploaded on my videos. So keep watching and stay with me and enjoy the collection that are most attractive designs. 2024 best collection related to the Christmas festival, the dye projects, and the dye projects that create your happiness more and more. So watch the video and to like my video and to share my videos with your family and friends. Dear Bits designs, a huge amount of guys variety and a huge amount of guys designs are available. Deer Witz designs as well as the ring style Christmas decoration are so stunning. So guys, Christmas is a day of blessing, the happiness, joy, love, and love awareness are available on my YouTube channel. So guys, keep watching, stay with me and enjoy the collection. In the last video there are more stunning ideas are available. So keep watching and stay with me and enjoy the collection on the daily basis. Watch the video till the end.